Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and today is Sunday, May 24, maybe 25, hindi ako sure, but then it's holiday dito sa Denmark. No, is it Sunday today?
It's Monday.
Oh shit! Yeah, it's Monday today pala. It's Monday. It feels like Sunday because of, pero it's holiday kaya walang trabaho and it's Monday. And dahil walang trabaho, we're here right now in our tiny house, and they call it here in Denmark, Colony Hevahusel. So yun, pero parang tiny house siya na pang summer. So yun, and yeah, we're gonna continue doing some construction work in here. Kasi nga yung goal namin, it has to be done before the end of the summer para ma-enjoy namin. Kasi alam niyo naman dito sa Denmark, ang ginawa at only summer is like the nice weather na pwedeng magtambay-tambay sa labas. Ganyan. And ito, dyan sa labas, ano na guys, parang it's almost done na talaga. May floorings na yung veranda. Is it called veranda? Terasa? Okay, may floorings na yung terasa namin. There, it's so nice. And then, pag matapos na daw ito lahat, yung floorings niya is, we're gonna start to build the kitchen outside because, alam nyo na, pag si Martin, ibig sabihin nun, pagkain. So, he's gonna make an outside kitchen where he can grill, make pizza, and tapos may area din daw na parang pang Asian na using wok and mag-make ng food, ganyan. Tapos pag natapos na daw yan, then he will start doing the finishing of the inside of the house. So, painting, maliit na kitchen dito, tapos toilet, ganyan. So, yeah. So, it's gonna be a busy day today. So, let's be productive. Kasi yesterday, we didn't do anything. Nag-ano lang kami yesterday. Ano bang ginawa namin? For the first time in a long time, we went to the movie yesterday kasi open na dito sa Denmark, guys. But then you have to show your corona test before you can get in. So, yun, nag-corona test kami and thanks God, we're negative. So, we're able to actually went to the movie and then eat. Yun. And then today, it's working day. And then last, Saturday. Yeah, I've been busy last Saturday. I also attended a birthday party of one of the Filipinas who live nearby. She had her 40th birthday, pero grabe guys, when you look at her, she's like looking so young still, even if she's 40, like really mas maganda ka actually. Anyway, yun, see you.
A cup of coffee in the morning, and I get the paper. I check the headlines and decide that I am bored. I check my email and I decide to answer later. Another cup of coffee and I drag myself to work. My life is grounded in a firm routine of coffee, sleep and work. I am not boring, I just stick to what I know. I'm sitting there at work and I realized I forgot to wake up. I can't be productive when I'm dreaming about a sheep. I go upstairs and get myself another cup of coffee. I get downstairs and then I spill it on the floor.
Yan yung ginawa ko kanina, guys. And as you can see, daming net. Kasi protection daw na para yung mga rats, yung mga animals hindi makapasok diyan sa loob. So, I did that. Now, it's done. Namatay kasi kanina yung yung phone. Yung camera ko. So, there. Ito pa yung kailangan gawin. But then, in here, pagkita ko sa inyo, this one here, it's done. So, maliit na lang talaga. And then, actually, anong tawag nun? Kailangan ko rin tapusin tong mga weeds na nandito ba. Kailangan tanggalin para luminis kasi requirement din yan ng organization dito na kailangan talagang gawin. So, I'm gonna do that Next time, nagawa ko na kunti doon. Yun. So yun guys, tapos na kami. We're done for the day doon sa tiny house. And yeah, I didn't do so much actually kasi
No, you didn't do shit.
Shut up, I did a lot, but not a lot. But anyway, I didn't do that much because there was a kid in the neighborhood pumunta sa amin at naglaro kami. My gosh, balik bata yung style. So anyway, we're on our way home. Tapos, yeah, it's actually really sunny sunshine today. It's so nice. So we're gonna go home, we're gonna change clothes, and then we're gonna watch a movie.
I spent so long just wondering. For years I was adrift, directionless and wayward, lost like a swallow on a cliff. But slowly I found purpose and my life became more clear. I found my destination, yeah, but now where do I go from here? 'Cause I'm already there, I'm already everywhere. I'm already there, I'm already everywhere. I've got a wife, 2 kids, and a picket fence. Everything was hazy, now it's making sense. Alright, I made it, so now what? I paid my dues in factories, I worked until I bled. The suffering made me stronger, so I pushed to get ahead. And now I'm perched above the factory floor, looking down at my friends below. In my comfy car I drive away, but there is nowhere left to go. 'Cause I'm already there, I'm already everywhere.